Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to close apps on iPhone. So let's get started. Go to your home screen and simply swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen and hold your finger in the middle of the screen. Now this action will reveal the app switcher. You will now see a card-like interface displaying recently used apps. So I'm saying it again. Swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen and hold your finger in the middle of the screen. Now all you have to do is swipe up the apps in order to close them. Swipe it up towards the top of the screen. Now here you can simply go swipe up. Now this action will remove the app from the app switcher and close it. If you want to close multiple apps, repeat the process for each app by swiping them up. So you can say I just open the music app. Now simply swipe from the bottom edge and hold and swipe that up towards the top of the screen. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.